Maurice notices that each week the number of pounds of fudge sold increases by 63. In the first week, he sold 118 pounds. How many total pounds of fudge will he sell in 52 weeks? Chloe is here with her latest tips and tricks. When you have an arithmetic series, it's the sum of consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence. We have two formulas that you can use. S sub n equals n divided by 2 times the quantity of 2 times a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. Or you can use S sub n equals n over 2 times the quantity of a sub 1 plus a sub n. S sub n is the partial sum, n is the total number of terms, a sub 1 is your first term, d is your common difference, a sub n is your last term. Remember, in arithmetic sequence, you are adding the same number when you're going left to right between consecutive terms, or you are subtracting the same number between consecutive terms when you go right to left. And the formula to find the common difference is d equals a sub n minus a sub n minus 1. Now that we have Chloe's tips and tricks, let's figure out how many pounds of fudge Maurice is going to sell in 52 weeks. Now, they tell us that he sold 118 pounds in his first week, and then each additional week it increased by 63. So I could make a chart and a sub 1 is his first week, sold 118 pounds, add 63 pounds. Second week he sold 181 pounds. The third week he sold 244 pounds after I add 63. And I could keep going, and I could go all the way to a sub 52 and then just add up all 52 numbers. Another way to do this is when you have an arithmetic series, you can go ahead and use one of these two formulas. Now, both the formulas have an n, both of them have an a sub 1. The top one you use if you have the d, the common difference. The bottom one you use if you have the a sub n. So I need to find n, a sub 1, and either d or a sub n. Now, I know that if I was looking at this chart right here, I could use this common difference formula that says the common difference is equal to a sub n minus a sub n minus 1. And I could start here at my 3 and get a sub 3 minus a sub 3 minus 1, which reduces to a sub 2. Remember, the common difference is just taking one number and subtracting the previous term. And I can figure out that my common difference is 63. They already told us that that common difference was 63 because the amount of fudge that is sold each week increases by 63 pounds. So I know that my common difference is 63. Now my a sub 1 is the first term in my sequence, and they told us that 118 pounds was sold in the first week. So my a sub 1 is 118. From here, we have to figure out our n, which is how many weeks we are looking for. We are looking for a total number of terms of 52. So my n is equal to 52. Now that I have my n, my a sub 1, and my d, I can go ahead and use this first formula here. So I'm going to go ahead and take S sub n equals n over 2 times the quantity of 2 times a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. And I'm just going to plug in what I have. S sub n is the partial sum, and we know n is 52, so this is going to be S of 52 right here. Then we are going to take n divided by 2, so that's 52 divided by 2, equals 2 times a sub 1. Our a sub 1 is 118, plus the quantity n minus 1, so that would be 52 minus 1, times our common difference of 63. From here, 52 divided by 2 is 26, 2 times 118 is 236, 52 minus 1 is 51, and that is still being multiplied by 63. From here, we have 51 times 63, which is 3,213, and 236 plus 3,213 is 3,449, and that multiplied by 26 is 89,674. So how many pounds of fudge will Maurice have sold after 52 weeks if each week he increased his pounds of fudge sold by 63? He would have sold 89,674 pounds.